Alright folks, just a quick little review here. So on the left hand side we have the S&P, E-mini, and the right chart we have E-mini, NASDAQ. Both 15-minute time frames. Here we have the S&P, relative strength leader this morning. That's because of this low and this lower low on NASDAQ. It was not seen with the lower low in S&P. That set up the SMT divergence, and this low was taken out here, and I mentioned all this in short little vignettes on my Twitter feed. So we see it rallying for buy side. I was waiting for 10 o'clock news to hit here, and I wanted to see if it would run to the buy side. I did it ahead of the 10 o'clock news. So bearish order block, final portion of this imbalance hits it here. So both S&P and NASDAQ had a Judas swing at 9:30. It broke down, attacked the lows here, the initial low of the day and previous day's low. And if we drop down into a 5-minute chart, okay, you can see they're rallying up. They built in a premium to the opening at 9:30 going into the 10 o'clock news. Right there. There, right here. This candle broke down heavily. Accumulated more shorts in here. And distribution down into relative equal lows. Might not be done, but it's already too far for today to chase, at least before lunch ends. So we'll look and see what we get in regards to the PM session. On a 1-minute chart for this morning, short-term low, broken with displacement, fair value gap in here, trades up into it. That's your model. Relative equal lows here, that's your first partial, right there. Fills the fair value gap here, breaks lower, displacement below here, fair value gap, once more reaccumulation of shorts. Sells off, accumulates some more shorts, rebalances, and delivers down into the fair value gap I mentioned at the beginning of the video. NASDAQ, same thing. Okay, rallies. It hits the buy side liquidity I was mentioning in this session. Displacement below the short-term low here. We have a fair value gap, trades up into that. That's your short for NASDAQ. Sell side liquidity, first partial. Retracement, rebalance, accumulates more shorts in here as well. Fair value gap, trades lower, and then has since now ran out those relative equal lows on the 15-minute time frame. Right here. So we have a little bit of range in here. We could probably work towards closing in that. Big sell-off today, guys. All right. I'll catch up with you, I guess, tomorrow, Lord willing. Until then, be safe.